Hello. Thank you for joining. Vishnu, you can start.
Yeah, thank you, Anand. So this is, I guess, the fourth weekly stand-up meet of Open Hack Cohort 2 2020, and I extend my welcome to our program managers, mentors, and students. Here we talk about what we have been up to in the past week and the challenges you faced, what you have learned, and other interesting things you need to share. So let's start one by one. So, Mr. Miss NJ.
Hello, yeah, my name is Nana Jain, and in the past week, I have just contributed in the Tetris game that is in the part of Open Hack projects. That's all.
Yeah. Anything more you want to share or any questions?
No, actually, I was not able to pay much attention to open source in the last week because I was focusing on my projects.
Yeah. Is it a final year project?
No, I'm in third year, but I was making some project only.
If it is related to programming, you can say here too. Say share it here too.
Yeah, I am working on backend development and in Spring Boot. So I was learning about that only microservices architecture and Spring Boot. That's all. In about Spring JDBC, database connectivity, and combining that all frameworks and making a big project.
Yeah, that sounds interesting and all the best.
Actually, there
So
is no project related to that link in that field in that open hack.
yeah, Anand, do you want to answer?
Right. We don't have any Java mentors, unfortunately. So good luck anyway. And about the Tetris project, uh, were you talking about the Tetris project happening in OpenHack?
Yeah, I have contributed to that HTML CSS that is
Okay. And who's your project mentor?
Ashwin.
Okay. And how's the project going?
Yeah, it's going smoothly because all the content is easily we are able to find and references as well. So
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Anand. So let's move to Aryan.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so the last week I've been working on the chat app, the React chat app. I haven't made much progress lately due to a simple error which I solved in like a day. I don't really have anything to say in this meet. I do have a question. Mm, seems like you if you are working on the Rocket Meet app with along with Anand and many other people. Do you have a tutorial to recommend about MongoDB?
I think Anand will answer that.
Yeah, I'll definitely share a tutorial with him.
Okay,
Yep.
thanks.
Yeah, thank you,
actually,
Aryan, and thank you,
can
Anand.
I say something?
Yep, Nayana.
Sorry.
Yeah, actually, I am also trying to learn that Angular, but not able to find some good tutorials. So if anyone can suggest or any mentor is there.
Yeah, I think Joel is familiar with Angular, so you can feel free to tag her in any of the doubt channels, and she'll help you out.
Okay, thank you.
You know Kajol, right?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So she's one of our mentors, and she's focusing in full stack web development with. I think she's mainly focusing in Angular, so you can tag her.
Okay.
Uh, And I'm interested, you were talking about contributing to a Java project open source. So, do you have any updates on what happened? You were trying to find some issues to contribute.
Yeah, I told about that, but actually I was not able to focus because of my own projects and learning.
Okay, got it. And Aryan, do you have anything else to share?
No, no, I don't.
Yeah. So let's move on to Miss Joel George.
Hello, all. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. I'm just a beginner to this open source, and I've tried to develop a new JavaScript project. It's named Budget Assist. I just started with that project, and currently I'm working on that HTML part of the code. That's all what I've been doing last week. And Vipin has helped me create a repo, and uh, that's all. Vipin is helping me in that project.
Yeah, sounds good. Is there any challenges you faced or something you learned in the past week? I mean, technically, that you need to share here?
Nothing much. I just started off with the project, so I might face some issues later. And I'll be sharing that.
So,
Yeah.
can you explain a bit more about your project and its features?
It's basically a simple web application for displaying your income and outcome and all, and that it calculates savings, and we can input some incomes and expenditures with a description or a title, and it saves those data in the local storage. That's all.
Yeah, sounds good and all the best. So let's
Thank
just
you.
move on to Anand. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you, Vishnu. The previous week, I was working on Rocket Meet. To those who don't know, it's a simple meeting scheduling app, and me, Vipin, and some of the other OpenHack mentors have been working on it for the past 1 to 2 months, and it will be launched soon. And I have my exams coming up soon, and I am also trying to get familiar with Google's hash code. It's a competition where you try where you get problems like real engineering problems prepared by Google engineers, and you have to solve them in like 3 to 4 hours. I think 3 hours. Joel, are you interested in problem solving?
I think he has a poor
I'll try,
connection. No.
but I'm not so good at that. Hello.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Next, Vipin.
Okay, today also sorry for being late. I was up to something and forgot actually about the 4 o'clock. So last week basically I was uh, uh, in the work, so small tiny fixes on in the UI of Rocket Meet. Mainly that was the thing. Other than the college works and assignments. Also, I was trying to set up a dot file from someone, and my whole Arch installation stopped working, and I can't even power off now using the software. I have to manually uh, force power off my system if I was on Arch. Thank God I didn't switch to Arch by uninstalling Ubuntu. Instead, I just triple booted Arch along with Ubuntu and Windows. So it's not at all a big problem. Now I was working on that. Where did I went wrong? That's all my previous week.
Okay, I have a doubt. So the dot files generated by its author, were it meant for Arch Linux, or
Yes, it
do
was meant for Arch Linux, but I think it would be good if we install it before installing other personal dot files. Like I installed it over the top of another 2 3 things I tried, and maybe it all got conflicted. I think it will be good if we install it on a pure Arch system.
Okay, thank you, Vipin. Vishnu, do you have anything else to share?
Yeah, last week I had the technical interview for the Major League Hacker Fellowship, and two mock meets with Anand. Then I had classes from college, like from morning till evening. So I wasn't much productive regarding all this extracurricular stuff. Then, and I'm preparing a beginner friendly resource for beginner friendly article for students to visit and get an idea of software development industry. And I've been working on that like in 2 days, from 2 days. And we had one, as I mentioned before, the Playstune students were studying Android development, and now that they have gained some experience and experience, yesterday we had our project kickstart meet, and then nothing much. This is what last week have been for me.
Okay, does anyone have anything else to share or any doubts?
Hello.
Yep.
Yes.
I heard it seems like you guys are trying to implement Google authorization into Rocket Meet. So, do you think you can give a small idea on how like where to start to do it? Just a little basic idea.
I think Arvind would be better if it would be better if Arvind explained, because he is the one working on Rocket Meets Earth and he's not present currently. So, can you tag him at one of OpenX channels, and he'll definitely let you know your doubts? Or do you want him to
Okay.
suggest any resources? Okay, you can just tag him with your doubt and he'll try to answer.
Okay. Thanks.
And Joel, I think it's your first time on the OpenX weekly meet. So can you introduce yourself and what you're interested in and any goals or anything?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Myself, I'm Joel V. George. I'm a second year CSE student at GEC Palakkad. Um, I'm passionate at mainly web development, and then I would also like to grow up in problem solving using CPP mainly, and then that's all. I'm trying to learn more from this community.
Okay, thank you. And thank you for joining. Any other doubts?
Actually, something to add that Thursday I had scheduled the meeting for board number 7, and it did got any participants. Actually, I had conducted that meeting, but I had to sit idle in that meeting. Just wanted to share with you guys.
Yep, that's sad to hear. So if no one joins for, I think 5 to 7 minutes, you can leave the meet.
Yeah, actually, I waited for 15 minutes, waiting
Mm.
that someone would join, and no one did, sadly. And it's again sad to see this weekly stand-up meet has 6 participants, and 3 of them are mentors.
Yep. Oh, okay. So thank you for joining. See you next Saturday.
Thank you.